In this video, I will show you the simple way I remove background noise from my audios and my videos, and this is completely free of charge. You are not going to pay any dime to do that. In order for you to do that, you just need to locate the particular file, either the audio file or the video file. Anyone can serve. To remove the background noise, you just have to head over to this particular website, go over to your Google search and type Podcast Enhance Audio. Now, once you've typed that, you can see this very one here. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, just make sure you get signed into this particular app. If you've not signed up, you just have to do that. The moment you sign up, you will be able to log in to it, and here you can just click to bring in that particular audio or video file you want to remove the background noise from. Now let's say this is the particular one you wish to do that. You can just click on it. You see it is now uploading that particular audio file, and with this now you can see it is processing it and removing all the necessary background noise that is contained in that particular audio. While it's doing that, it also optimizes it by enhancing the speech and makes it more okay to the hearing of your audience. And at the end, you will discover that your audio or your video file has much more good sound that is very sweet to hear, and it will just remove all the background noise, all the echoes in that particular audio or video file that you've just uploaded to this without charging you any dime. So you can just use this trick to actually get that done anytime you wish to remove background noise from your audio or your video file and optimize it. The moment it's done removing all the background noise and all of that, you can just click on download, and that video or that audio will be downloaded with the necessary noise removed and all of that. Now, if you wish to actually make some adjustment by yourself, all you just need to do is to upgrade by paying a little token in order for you to make more adjustment to that particular audio or video file. So this is just what I do each time that I want to remove background noise from my audio or video file. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to this channel for more tips from this particular channel. Thank you.